All right, and returning. So we are continuing down the path of learning TypeScript, and I had an epiphany in between this video and the last from this morning. Something kind of clicked about type aliases versus interfaces. So, yeah, what did I write down here? And why is note not highlighted? I don't know why that is, because normally I don't deal with that. If I did this, do. Oh, okay, now you're just making me out to be a liar. Well, maybe that was in Emacs specifically. Might have been a deal. Anyway, so type refers to type alias. A type is an alternative to an interface. Interfaces are similar to type aliases, except I don't need to say that. Interfaces, let's do this. Interfaces only apply to object types. Type aliases hang on, let's do this. Let's write it like this. Type aliases can apply to object, string, and blah, 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 blah. Types. Basically, type aliases can apply to multiple types. In this, okay, let's do this. In this situation, we're using a tuple, which is an array. So we use a type alias. Can use a type alias. Yeah. Okay. It's a little kind of sort of way to try to do this. Oh yeah, you know what? Wait. Gotta have some chill background music because who wants to do this stuff while chill background music? Here's some soothing sounds from the universe. All right, so that's option one. And wait, I didn't push anything from yesterday over? 25th, 26th, wait. I'm seeing in my logs that I didn't push anything over from yesterday. Seven, right. Yeah, I got like three. Oh boy. Yeah, let's push this over. I don't know what I'm going to do with this just yet, but I'm going to push. I got 3 videos in here. Yeah, we're going to push all that stuff over too. So let's export that to YouTube. Should I make it private? Should I make it public? Watching a little intro to CSS from MIT. I don't know. Actually, yes. Start export. Because this is all about watching me learn stuff. So as I figure things out. So that includes the boring parts. So, alright, we got that. Public, okay. Part 1:6, okay. And then, wait, it's the same one? Oh, yeah. That's like 2 minutes. I don't think I care about the 2 minutes thing. Let's do this next one. Export this next one. Part 2? Maybe? Public, export that. Not sure if I want to publish that. Oh, I see. See what I did here. Alright, so 3, maybe tuples. Okay, that was like a whole 3-hour thing. That's a whole hour thing. Alright. Maybe I might not publish that. Let's see. Maybe day 4. Okay. Publish this. Oh, wait. Isn't that... Hang on. Is that what we're currently doing? Oh, yeah. That was this morning. Okay. So we'll publish that. Yeah. Publish this. Oh, wait. No. Export. Unpublished. Export. Wait. How come I can't export this? Wait. Reload that. Oh, maybe that's because that's... Oh, that's this. Okay, that's what I'm streaming right now. Okay, cool. Okay. Alright, so maybe we'll put that there. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to show these guys, but they're processing. So we'll see what we see. Okay, sorry about that. You can't see what I'm doing because I'm on my other screen playing around with videos, publishing videos that I recorded yesterday. Alright, so either this chill music or this chill music. Let's go find... Whoa. What? Okay. Debating whether or not I should do this quick. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna stay focused on this. We're gonna save to watch that later. Interesting. Alright, oh yeah, interesting. That's another thing interesting. Alright, interesting content for a later stream. Music. Actually, you can see me hunt for this. Let's do this, because this listening to me talk about is a little bit boring. Let's go to the YouTubes. Okay, be quiet. Let's see. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Let's see. Music to. Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Bay. Hang on. Alright, Faye, let's go. Oh, this is trippy. We got no audio. What's happening? about this one, Faye? Yeah, okay. There we go. I'm digging this. All right. Faye it is. Yeah. So, okay. I can get into my mode. Oh, may nothing creepy interrupt me. May nothing disturbing happen. I'm trying to get into the flow of learning and creating. Feels better. I got a little caffeinated beverage. I got some chips. Let's get cracking. So, I really want to be an Emacs, I'm not gonna lie. And I want to turn off prettier. Well, I had to turn it off universally here in order for this to do what I wanted to do. You know what? I'm gonna be me. Let's get that going. Awesome sauce. And let's see, tuples, go to tuples. That right now, when I move off this, it's gonna, well, it's already did jack up the bottom down here. Well, no, it didn't. It kept it like this. When I move it, it's gonna undo it, and that's gonna drive me crazy. So, oh, is the TS server acting funny again? Yeah, it is. I don't know why this keeps doing this, but let's fix it. So, tide restart, tide-restart server, for whatever reason, whatever. And I need to go back to the primary buffer. Previous buffer, switch buffer. So yes, switch buffer, I buffer. There we go, memory. Haha. Okay, so who do we want? Oh wow, I even got all that when I was doing the GraphQL thing. Okay, so all right, sweetheart, show me the primary Doom buffer because we want to go to our private configuration. Awesome sauce. Okay, so am I peaking in my volume? Wait, let me go over here and adjust that. I don't know if I'm hitting that too high because we want to keep this right and chill. So let's see, wait, I'll keep that the same way. I'll make this a little less, maybe in the background like that slightly. Okay, I'm kind of hoping that kind of works a bit better. Let me bring me up some in the volume. All right, somebody out there in the YouTube universe, where this video lands, just let me know in the comments how I sound, please. I know I need a better mic. One of these days I'll get a Patreon set up. Send me some donations. I'll get better equipment, man. Anyhow, because one of the things I want to do with my channel is my site here, my website, my YouTube site, my channel, is I want to just like display, you know, doing stuff on a Linux machine, right? All the stuff you can do on a Linux machine now. And primarily with, if I can, the best I can, open source tools. And I mean open source, not controlled by a corporation like Microsoft. Just flat out, all right? And there's reasons for that. We'll get into that later. But right now, let's keep going here with this code here, because I'm trying to figure out how to turn off prettier. And let's see, I think that's in my config. Haha, landed right on it. Prettier.js. Ah, good Fonzo. Good Fonzo. Okay. So now I know which prettier I'm using. Let's go to this real quick. We're gonna go to github.com/JSCH. Yeah. Prettier. Okay, do I have? Yes. Okay, great. Pretty MS package reformat your code. Yes. How do I turn this off? Is there a hot command to turn it off? Notice who needs to be on execute. It is recommended to provide a recent version of Node since older versions tend to be simply slower. Prettier also has the Emacs NVM package that if you also use this, all you need to do is run install Node to install this. So the Prettier package needs to be installed inside your package globally with either yarn, npm yarn, globally. So, oh, well, I had to reinstall stuff. Is it global? How do I check if it's global? Because that might be the thing. That might be the deal. I think it's good over here. Oh, let's do this because it looks kind of cool. We'll do transfer. You can use Pretty Info to see which versions are being used for a given buffer and to aid with diagnosis when node or prettier can be found. The above instructions are for reformatting local files. See below how to configure remote system. We give a buffer and to aid with diagnosis. Alright, pretty, yeah, because I want to know, wait, how do you check what's installed globally in npm or yarn? Possibly yarn globally. Yes. Oh yes. Okay. Yarn global ls ts server. Okay, so do we have prettier indium? Oh, look at that. I don't see it. I don't see it. Do you see it? I don't see it. Do you see it? Because I don't see it. Do you see it? Because I don't see it. Part 2. Yeah, so I'm going to change the name of this video to part 2. Because I don't see it. 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 Okay. Let's see. Gridsome. Create next. ESLint. Indium. Okay, that's got to be it. Oh, there it is. Prettier. Nope, there it is. Damn, it is global. Why is the server actually making me reload it? Okay, so let's go see this next thing. where it's saying how we can get the info out of here. So let's go take a look at that. Prettier-info. Prettier-info. Let's hit that. Oh my. Oh my. All right, what we got in here, man? Please create a gist with the contents of this buffer. Make sure to remove any sensitive information first. Oh, sensitive information as I'm broadcasting this, right? Right. Okay, so maybe given that connotation, I'm gonna just have you look at my other screen here. We're gonna transition over to look at Faye. Well, we're listening to Faye. Let's scroll through this sensitive information buffer. Okay. Emacs 28, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, node. Prettier options, plugins. All right, why is this thing behaving so funkily? Every time I gotta come in here, I gotta restart this server. Like, what's the deal with that? Okay, so there's a whole other bag of cats in here. I don't think I'm gonna deal with that right now. All right, there's a whole buffer. Make heads or tails of what's going on in here right now. So we're gonna close that out. Give me a lot of information, all right? Oh my God. But here's the main thing. Let's go figure out. Oh, man, I got two configs now. What the heck? Let's quit that one and go to this one. And let's just go find. Okay, done with the sensitive information stuff. Let's transition back over, and let's just kind of take a look at. There's prettier. After init hook, global prettier mode. Right. Is there a different? There's a different way to do this though. Note C view below. Note ChatGPT company emit in. Okay. View below. Where's view? Look for view below. Okay. So notes there's tab 9. .env mode. View. Okay. Something to do. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's prettier JS mode. Yeah. After view. In view mode. But didn't I have something like in a web mode or something for this? Yeah. Okay. Let's see here. Please don't pay that. Okay, what am I looking for? Let's go back up here. Sorry for that delay there. Just had to try to negotiate something with the parents of a toddler that is exercising his right to be a toddler on top of my head. Cute kid, if only we had thicker walls. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got looking for prettier and where we've got that configured to turn this puppy on and off. All right, so web mode. Okay, there's web mode. There's image for web mode here. Get on paper with ASAP. MF web mode. Prettier. Add hook after init hook. Global prettier mode. Yeah, I don't want to do it global. I think. Okay. Got that. Blah 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 blah. Configuration. Global prettier mode to turn on the minor mode in all major modes supported by your version of prettier and by any plugins installed. See prettier enabled parsers below. When enabled, the minor mode will reformat on file save and also sync settings for prettier to Emacs such as indentation level. Indentation level. Can I change the indentation level? Because sometimes it indents too far in. To enable pretty mode global at startup. Right. This is our friend right here. Enable process, enabling per file, per directory. Emacs has a great feature called per directory local variables, which can be utilized to automatically enable prettier mode for specific files or directories. For example, if you put the following in a I'm making a great feature called per directory local variables to automatically enable prettier mode for specific files or directory. If we put the following in .dir locals.l file at the top of a Git repository. Wait, I'm not right. Go back. I was too busy eating a chip here. Emacs has a great feature called per directory local variables, which can be utilized to automatically enable prettier mode for specific files or directories. Okay, for example, if you put the following in a .dir locals.l file at the top of a Git repository, then it should automatically enable prettier mode for any files using JS mode. If the file is already open, you will have to close and reopen them to see this take effect. You can also match by file path instead of by mode. There's an alternative mechanism which can be handy if you want to avoid adding to a directory. Add these to your config. Okay. Path to my pretty project. Yeah, that's gonna yes. When enabled as a minor mode with prettier mode, your source code is formatted on save. How do I change the prettier configuration? You can also prettify to prettify the whole buffer at any time in any buffer. Doing so doesn't require the minor mode to be enabled. In prettify region to prettify region, but note that region should align with a complete block of code. Yeah, okay, wait, so is this the manual way of doing it? You can also prettify to prettify the whole buffer at any time in any buffer. Doing so will require Okay, but note that region should align with a complete block of code. If you give a prefix argument to either of these two commands, you'll be able to set override the prettier parser to use for formatting. If you give a prefix argument to either of these, require the minor mode to be enabled and prettier prettify region to prettify. Or note that region should align with a complete block of code. Wait, I did this manually before, but did I have to turn that off to do that? If you give a prefix argument to either of these two commands, you will be able to set override the prettier parser to use for formatting. You should run prettier restart whenever any relevant configuration changes, such as when you install a new version of Node, prettier or any plugin. When you install or uninstall as a local npm package in a directory from which you already have files, open the Emacs, or when you change prettier settings that might affect any other files. Doing so will clear all caches, yada yada yada. Alright, so wait a minute. Let's see. Okay, so this is automatic. Yeah, hang on, let's go over here. We're gonna go to, does N do that for me? No, how do I get to the end? Is it this? There we go. And we're gonna say set to save, set to wait, auto run on save. That's what we're doing here, right? So if I turn you off, right, mx prettier prettify pretty, wait, two T's, prettify, prettier prettify say that super fast, right? Prettier prettify, prettier prettify, right? Prettier prettify if okay, let's check a stream there. Prettier prettify let's see, buffer, let's see, prettier prettify current buffer manually, right? mx prettier prettify region buffer manually region selected code region. I hope that's straightforward. Okay, so I think that's what's going on there. So if I save normal hook right after initialize the Emacs session, blah 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 blah. Okay, so I think that's what's the prettify region, but note that now changing prettier configuration, you should run whenever any relevant configuration changes, such as when you install a new version, or when you change prettier settings that might affect any open files. Okay, can you change other prettier settings? Like, can I change indentation? Customization, customize group, prettier. This is an overview of available options. The doc strings for the individual settings may contain additional information. Prettier mode sync config flag. Set this to nil if you don't want prettier mode to change your buffer local settings to match prettier options. Huh? Prettier editor config flag. Set this to nil if you don't want. Yeah, wait, where are these? Where is this prettier configuration stuff? Customize the group. Oh, I see. You run that and then you get these things. If you don't want prettier mode to change your buffer local settings to match prettier options. Okay. Set this nil if you don't want prettier to use editor config files to load options. Prettier enable parsers. Customize this to disable any parsers you don't want to use. Oh, interesting. Prettier prettified on save. Set this to nil if you don't want prettier to prettify format the buffer when saving. You can still format the buffer explicitly with this is how you turn it off, which you might want to bind to a key. Yes, I don't have to turn that off. Wait. So wait, I can do this. Wait. So I can do that. Global prettier mode. Is that? Wait. Oh, wait. This is cool because if this does what I think it does. Okay, wait. I'm like nerd excitement is happening now. Wait. -X. All right, let's do that. And then what's the incantation to get here? Customize. Group. Prettier. Opens configuration. Settings thingy. Opens configuration settings thingy. Okay. I think this is what we want to play with. Diff timeout second. Ooh, prettier diff. Choose how long the diff operation is allowed to run. What is that? Differences from prettier Emacs. Wait. What? Launches prettier an external process paying no stop overhead on each application less mitigated by tools such as prettier D. This is a long-running child process. Guess the process is but find it doesn't touch your buffer configuration such as indentation offsets. Prettier mode by default tries to this must be a different module. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. This is what I want. Right here. This right here. Oh, I keep. Okay. So, buffer. Nope. Wait. Change mode. Buffer. Quit buffer. Kill buffer. I'm gonna kill this buffer. Do I want to kill this buffer? Sure, I want to kill the buffer. Kill the buffer. D. Kill the buffer. Okay. All right. So we're still running prettier. Prettier will jack up our universe if we make a change to this file. Right. But we don't want that to happen. We want to run the customize group prettier, because that's a general command. Customize group and then the name of the plugin that you want to modify, right? So yeah, Emacs, right on. Okay. All right, so now how do I navigate this freaking window? Do I have to tab something? Yes. Easy customization, search, revert, apply and save, state, visible group members are all at the same. Okay, basic text editing facilities, convenience, files, WP, data, external communication, programming, application development. Am I in the right spot? Wait. Customize group prettier. Help using this buffer. Wait a minute. Am I looking at the right thing? Because I'm expecting to see prettier mode sync config flag, whatever, and prettier editor config flag, etc. Right? I don't know if I'm on the right thing, man. Pretty file. Check it. This is the guy I want. Customized group. Okay, did I just open a customized group and not send me the prettier? Search it. Oh, there we go. Global prettier mode. Toggle global prettier mode. Man, okay. Toggle on. Okay, change outside customize. Non-nil if global prettier mode is enabled. Global prettier mode hook. Hook run after entering or leaving global prettier mode. Prettier diff edit. Prettier diff edit. Cost. Prettier diff timeout seconds. Okay. That looks like, wait, that looks like the guy that was down here. Prettier diff timeout seconds. Prettier editor config flag. Non-nil means to use .editor config files. Enabled parsers. Enabled parsers, customize this to display any parser you want to use. Infer parser flag. Prettier inline error. Prettier face for errors. Who do I want? Oh god. Mode sync set this if you don't want prettier mode to change your buffer local settings to match prettier options. Editor config set this if you don't want prettier to use that. Prettier enable parsers commands to disable any parser you don't want to use. Fall back to infer parsers based on file name contents. This right here, prettify on save. Don't want prettify to prettify when saving. You can still save. Where you at? Please be here. Oh, it's at the bottom. Yes. Oh my god. Okay. All right, so back over here. Tab. Okay, wait. Where am I at? I don't know where am I at, man. Where did it go? Oh my god. Okay, here we are. Okay. Prettify on save. Non-nil means to prettify buffer on save. Yes. Woo. Okay. Do I hit enter? Do I hit tab? Oh my god, what do I do? Enter. Yes. Non-nil means to prettify format on save. Change the state standard. Toggle. Okay. Shown value does not take effect until you save the thing, right? Tag. Until you save, right? Apply and save. Save all settings in this buffer. Yes. Custom. Okay, groovy. Alright. And now how the heck do I get out of this thing? Do I just quit? Okay, yes. Okay, got it. Okay. Cool. Oh look, we got like a little thing just sitting here begging me to delete it. So let's whack that. Okay, great. Now we have a save on the file. Here's the big test, kids. Yes. A minor adjustment that was not prettier. I think that was the whatchamacallit thing whose name I can't remember. Same thing here. Great. Yes. Oh my god, yes. Oh, now I can do it manually if I want to. I just gotta remember that that's off. As a matter of fact, let me buffer list. I'm gonna go back to where's Doom here. Show me that. Fig. I'm gonna run on save. Well, no, actually, that's not what that's doing. That's just actually just running it. It's turning it on. Prettier is enabled. Note. Prettier is set for manual via your big settings. Via your customize group settings. Customize group settings, yeah. Okay, just note to myself. Prettier is set for manual. Alright, prettify. Right, okay. Like that, and shift that back, put that one. Oh no, we want to buffer. Close that buffer. There we go. Alright, now we're set. Now it's turned off, and then if I hit this with prettify, right? Yeah, prettify, it will change the format, right? I gotta actually do it to make sure that that is in fact set up. Yes. Yes. Now, it'd be nice if I could just hit undo. Yes, I can. One time undo. Awesome, Vim. Okay, great. Groovy. All right. So let's continue. The adventure continues. Daddy knows what to get next. I'm about to kill all the bugs. Now, let's see. That's groovy. We solved that problem. Let's get back to what we're writing. So, initialize correctly, which shows an error, uncomment, right. See that implementation. Not to do, that's oh, note got green again. What the hell? What the heck? Oh, right, because I wasn't in Emacs before. Right. Okay, right on. All right. So terminology: type refers to type alias. A type is an alternative to an interface. Interfaces only apply to object types. Type aliases can apply to object, string, and to other things, right? And let's see, where do we get that? So let's write this up. Apart from primitives, the most common sort of type you'll encounter is an object type. Everyday types, right? This refers to any JavaScript value with properties, which is almost all. To define an object type, you will simply list its properties and their types. For example, here's a function that takes a point like object, right? Anonymous function object types. Okay. Here we annotate the parameter, yada. Okay, this isn't the key that I'm not. Okay, and here's that. Union types, object types. Okay, wait, object types. Apart from primitives, the most common. Okay, wait. Where was I getting on with this? must have been here, right? Aliases, interfaces, yeah. Yes. Let's bring this down. Type aliases allow defining types with custom. We can make this longer. And then define with custom name. Type aliases can be used for primitives like string, more complex types. You're right. Type aliases can be used for primitives like string. Type aliases can apply to. We're gonna do the same thing. To string objects, and arrays. All right. Type aliases can apply to strings, objects, and arrays. Interfaces only apply to object types. Type aliases can apply to strings, objects, and arrays. As you can see, we have a number, boolean, and a string. But what happens if we try to say, okay, that's that. So what a tuple is. Okay, so that's describing tuple. Implementation. Okay, terminology. Type refers to. Okay, so actually this phrase, yank. I'm gonna yank you. In this situation, we are using a tuple, so we can use a type alias. Implementation, yes. So yeah, paste implementation. In this situation, we are using a tuple, so we can use a type alias. There we go. Okay. Implementation, let's delete that. All right, note, terminology. I am enjoying some Takis, Dragon Sweet Chili Takis. Hang on, I gotta show you this. Hang on. Takis, Dragon Sweet Chili. Okay, these. This is the first time I've had these. These are delicious. They're not overpowering, and the spice isn't so light that you can't taste anything. You don't care, right? It's a sweet little balance in the middle there. And yeah, no, they're not. I'm not getting any money for saying this, but these are delicious. All right. Anyway, all right. So. Now we got a breakdown of terminology. No, actually implementation. I think how I'm going to do this. Terminology. I'm not sure if I'm spelling that right. No, terminology. Type refers to type alias. A type is an alternative to an interface. Interfaces only apply to object types. Type aliases can apply to strings, objects, and arrays. Because we've seen interfaces before. Why do we use? Okay, so well, yeah, because types. Yeah, so why? Yeah, because we're not using an object. Since we're not using an object, we need a type. And there we go. In this situation, we're using a tuple, which is an array. Which is an array, right? So we use a type. So we use a type alias. God dang, my Starwalk thing is losing its mind right now. What's going on? Meteor peaks. Venus and Mercury will be paired. Mercury meets Venus. Interesting. Wish I could meet Venus. Learn from our new quiz about. Okay. All right. All right. In this implementation, we're using a tuple, which is an array, so we use a type alias. Okay, so type. All right. So more about that though, right? Type aliases. TypeScript allows us to be determined separately by using aliases and interfaces. Allow types to be easily shared between different variables, objects. Allow defining types with the custom name and alias. Type aliases can be used for primitives, string, complex objects, arrays. Interfaces are similar to type aliases, except they only apply to object types. Interfaces can extend each other's definition. String, right? Okay, cool. All right, I think that's enough for that. But like type alias, because it's an alias of the thing. It's an alias of the thing, right? So instead of writing this thing here, C1 is XYZ, C2 is XYZ, right? All right, cool. Okay, console log. I think that's clear enough. I'm not sure, but we're gonna keep pushing forward. Console log, add 3D coordinates, and we can see the output when we run it. Now, explaining this part here, and if you happen to jump into this video at this spot, and you're kind of like trying to figure out what the heck am I doing, I'm kind of trying to break down something that Jack's talking about here in his Tuples video. Tuples. Okay, come on.
Initial value of hello.
All right, so we pause that. So he gets into this, and here's where we're at, right, in his video. So just kind of trying to break down some of this stuff so that it makes a little bit more sense to me when I read this again a month from now, 3 months from now, or somebody comes behind me and tries to understand these concepts as well. Boom. Closure. Okay, so we have a closure here. Would be nice to see a non-TypeScript looking closure, right? For like comparison. I think I was looking at this earlier. Okay. The closure should return a function, right? Accept the function and then return a function. Do I remember that correctly? Okay, let's see. Remember self-invoking functions. Self-invoking functions. What does this function do? Yeah, constant add function. Yes, returns a function. Yes. Let counter equals this. Yes. Return a function. Counter plus 1 return. Counter is now 3. Yes. On press. Button, on click my function, run my function, enter HTML function. On click my function. Where's my function? Here's my function. Document get only by the demo. Oh, add. There we go. Add. Okay. And add counts. Return counter. Returns a. Here we go. Returns a function. So here, but see, here, that's the thing that's throwing me off because this is returning an array. Oh, right. It's returning 2 values. Right, because you can do that, right? If you put them in an array. Right! Something I have not done enough of. Right? I'm so used to just returning one value, right? Like this. I'm returning one thing, this one function. I forgot. Okay. Well, you can return a function. I'm sorry, you can return 2 things if you wrap them in. You can return an array. You can return multiple items in a return line if you put them in an array, right? So you're saying return this function and return this function, Because we had two arrow functions here, right? Mm-hmm. Return both functions. Okay. Wait, let me note that, 'cause I totally figured it out. Okay. Return two values. Putting them in an array, which would be obvious to someone who's, dare I say, better at JavaScript than I am, or has been using that particular way of writing their code in that particular style, that particular thing, that particular feature, more often than I am. So usually I just return one value and not multiple values. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Returning two values by putting them in an array. All right. All right. Another string, which is a string, equal the initial value. Okay, I'm going to cheat here. I'm going to actually call this initial value. What's the rule? I think it's like this, right? Underscore initial value. I'm going to actually call it value. Initial value. Okay. Initial value is a string. So string state receives a string, and you're going to end up returning two values. The string and string and string. Return string, return void, but assign string to string. Assign string to string. String, which string is, who is associated with what? Initial value string. So this is new string? New string. New string, right? Get out the way. Uh-oh, I messed up something. I blew something up. That's not you. Hang on, that's not you. String only refers to type, but is being used as a value here. Wait. Is that you? I think that's, or is that you? Oh no, that's that string. Oh, type. Oh, right. That's referring to type. So who is this? Wait, is that this? That's that. Oh shoot. Okay, wait. Who is this? I'm a little confused there with that. Okay, what's happened here? Maybe I'm not understanding. I should be understanding. Be understanding. Let's see here. Let's see. Alright, so I was in my head there for a moment. String. What's happening here? String. Wait. I'm seeing what's happening. I'm almost seeing what's happening. Because once I saw this, I'm like, okay, triggered. Now I know, yeah, remember closure returns a function. Right. So here in this let counter plus one, return counter. Counter plus one, return counter. We're acting on that value. We're returning the function with, yeah, we're acting on that thing, right? So here we're taking a string, the initial value of that string. we're returning the string getter setter, right? We're returning the string and the new string, right? String, that's the type. This is the type. This is the string we're returning. That's the type, and this is the string. Okay, wait, hang on. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, roll back. String V, because V is what was driving me nuts. Like, why call this V? V, initial value. Okay, that tracks. Let string be a string. Right. That's the type. This was V. Like, what does that, why is that V? And, right. New string. That should be like new string, right? New string, bro. Screw you. The other way. New string, right? New string. So string equals new string. Right. String equals new string. That's that string, right? New string is a string. Old string, right? Old, return old string, new string. Old string, new string is string equals old string. Replaced, right? Right. Initial value. I'm trying to remember variable rules in JavaScript, if I remember. Yeah. It was underscore or dashes, I can't remember. Yeah, new string, initial value, new string, old string, right? New string, old string. String getter, string setter, string state. Okay, hang on. Similar. Hang on. Call use state. We call React's use state. Right, mental note, right? How do I say like mental note? Mental note. Okay. Mental note. Recall React's use state. Okay. React's use state. Constant string getter setter. Hello. Hello log. String getter. Setter. Okay. Does this still work? I think I kind of explained it. Okay, I think I have some that kind of makes sense in here now. Okay. Kind of breaks this down. So I understand what the heck is going on now. NPX. TS no. That's got to turn into a shortcut. Tuples. Hello, goodbye. Good, still works smooth. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm kind of done with this for now. We got some notes in here to break down terminology and really understand what the heck is going on. So this allows us to substitute. So it's like it's like a variable. So you like saying let 3 d coordinate equals this. It's just so weird because it seems like, isn't that doing the same thing? Can I just say let's see, then that loses its mind, right? Cannot find name X. Interesting. Interesting. Hang on. Yeah, it loses its mind. Interesting. So it's not like a variable, right? Number only refers to a type, but it's being used as a variable. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Superset. All right, superset. Okay, let's keep going with Jack here. I'm gonna finish this up with Jack. Oh, perfect background music pause moment. Great. Okay, so let's finish up Jack.
And let's just console log the output of string1 getter. And then use string1 setter to set it. We can see that we're hinted that v is a string. So we're going to say goodbye. And then call that again just to make sure that we're getting the right value. Let's try this out one more time. There we go. Started off as hello and became goodbye. Awesome. And just to show you that this is a unique piece of state, let's go and create a different one. And we'll call this one string2 getter and setter. And we'll make that Jack. And then we'll console log that to start.
Let's see, string. What is this?
And then console log that again at the end. And you'll see that there's no difference, right? So we don't actually set string setter to, and so it's still going to retain the same value as it had when we initially called that function. Okay, so now you know that a tuple is an array, and each one of the elements in the array can be named and have different types. In the next one, we're going to look at my favorite part of TypeScript, and that's generics. And I think that's when you start to see the real power of TypeScript. Can't wait to see you there. Of course, in the meantime, if you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. And of course, if you really like the video, hit that subscribe button and click that bell, and you'll be notified the next time one of these videos comes out.
it's always like he wants to say something like one of these flaming videos. Yeah. The pause that he does. All right. So we're gonna bounce into generics here in a moment with Jack. I caught him with his eyes closed here. If you dig his content, definitely go show him some love and appreciation. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video so that these could all be chopped up into individual, subject matter stuff here. Let me go back.
Welcome to.
And we'll kind of like go to the end there. That's a perfect spot. That's a perfect spot to stop on Jack here. That's great. All right, so that'll be the end of the Tuples series, where I went into a whole thing of like really drilling into every aspect of terminology here, trying to really understand what's going on, and really even remembering like how, because seeing a closure look like this is like, oh my God, what's going on? So maybe go review closures and all that kind of jazz. So hopefully that was kind of helpful for whoever sees this as well, for you watching. Anyway, definitely talking about this. Let's do my little transition thing here. And yeah, thanks for watching. Gonna now turn this one off, and we're gonna do the next one in the series right after this.